The three states of matter. In this module, you will learn about the arrangement of constituent particles in the three states of matter. Today is Sid's birthday. His mother has arranged a party for him at home. Let us see what arrangements she has made. Wow! The drawing room is so beautifully decorated with balloons and ribbons. The dining table is also full. It has snacks, juices, cold drinks, and of course, the birthday cake. Kids, you all know that matter exists in three states: solids, liquids, and gases. You can see all the three states of matter right here at Sid's birthday party. The snacks and birthday cake are solids. The juices and soft drinks are liquids. And the air filled in balloons is a gas. Kids, you also know that the three states of matter differ from each other. But do you know why? The three states of matter differ from each other due to the different arrangement of constituent particles in them. All matter, be it solid, liquid or gas, is made of some very small particles. These particles are so small that we cannot see them with our eyes. It is the arrangement of these particles that decides the properties of the three states of matter. In solids, the particles are very closely packed. They have almost no space between them. Thus, these particles cannot move or change their position. Such arrangement of particles is responsible for the fixed shape, size and volume of solids. In case of liquids, the constituent particles are not very tightly packed. They are close but still have some space between them. Due to this available space, the particles of liquids can move past each other. It is these slight movements of constituent particles that make liquids flow and give them all their properties. In case of gases, the constituent particles are far apart. These are loosely packed with a lot of space between them. This helps the particles to move around freely in all directions. As a result, gases spread throughout the entire available space. Let's recap. All matter is made up of tiny particles. These particles are too small to be seen with our eyes. The three states of matter differ from each other due to the different arrangement of their constituent particles. The constituent particles in solids are closely packed with almost no space between them. The constituent particles of liquids are not very tightly packed. They are close, but still have some space between them. The constituent particles in gases are loosely packed with a lot of space between them.